All right, for this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the wrists. So the wrists don't get enough love and attention. So we're going to walk you through some mobility, some controlled motion that you can get to open up and stretch, elongate the tissues surrounding the wrists, make them feel good. So the first movement that we're going to focus on here is the wrist figure eights or the wrist rolls. So what it's going to look like is both of our hands are going to go together, and I'm going to use my right hand here to guide my other wrist through a range of motion. So my right hand is controlling this motion that's occurring in my left wrist. I can work it back the other way, guiding my wrist through that nice circular range of motion. From there, I can switch sides. This hand's going to be guiding my other hand through that same range of motion. It might be a little tricky if your one hand's dominant and the other is not, trying to get the one hand to be passive in this motion. And then as you get more comfortable, we're going to start creating what we call a figure of eight. So it's just going to be a nice rolling. And as you get better at it, you can switch directions. You don't have to go fast, just nice controlled motion. We are just increasing range of motion in the wrists, showing these joints some love. Motion is lotion. And then we can follow up our wrist flow with just some finger stretches. So we can take our finger, bring it back as far as we comfortably can, and do that through each finger. We're not trying to hurt ourselves here. We're just showing these tissues, these joints some love that often don't get as much attention as some of the other joints in our body. And that's wrist flow.